Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. Today, we'll solve an interesting problem in C called the minimum sum of every three integers challenge. We start by taking an input, a list of integers that is always a multiple of 3. The goal here is to find the minimum sum among every set of 3 consecutive integers in the input list. So, let's break down the code. First, we take the total count of integers in the list as input. Using a for loop, we read the integers one by one into an array. Now, the crucial part, finding the minimum sum among every set of 3 integers in the array. We initialize a variable called min with the sum of the first 3 integers. Then, we iterate through the array in steps of 3, calculating the sum of every consecutive 3 integers. Within the loop, we calculate the sum of the current 3 integers and compare it with the current minimum sum. If the new sum is smaller, we update the min variable to store this new minimum value. Finally, after the loop completes, we have the minimum sum among every set of 3 integers in the array stored in the min variable. We then display this minimum sum as our output. And that's how this C program efficiently finds the minimum sum among every set of 3 integers in a given list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.